What's up guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday natural beat, no eyeshadow, go-to makeup routine. I feel really beat and really cute every time I do this look. That's why it's my go-to. So if you want to see the makeup, keep on watching. I look cute, right? So let's just get into it. All right, so I am a brows first kind of girl, and there's nothing you can say to make me change my mind. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyes before I do my face. I try sometimes to do it face first, but I just like to do brows first because that's what feels the most natural to me. I'm taking the NYX micro brow pencil. This is just like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz, and that's why I bought it. I like my brows to be natural looking, but I like my arch to be really defined and strong. So like the front is, you know, pretty natural, but I want my arch to be snatched. I'm filling in my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I feel like this concealer is a staple in my life, in my makeup routine, in my heart. I can't live without this concealer at all. I love it more than I love myself. That's a lot of love. That's a lot of love. All right, now I'm gonna put on lashes, but I cannot do that on camera. I don't know why. It's like I have to be like this on my mirror. So I really need to do that off camera, and I hope that you respect that. All right, now my, oh my God, whose voice was that? All right, now my lashes are on, and I look significantly better with the lashes on, because doesn't everybody? My favorite foundation right now is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Rockefeller, Wiggy Down. The Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation by NYX. This is a banger. This was the perfect way to go out of summer 18, because this foundation changed my life. Seriously, this is the first time that the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation has ever had competition. Like, we stand talent. And if you are asking yourself, oh my God, she doesn't prime, no, I do not prime. Primers break me the heck out. All primers break me out, so I don't prime. And I feel like primers are a myth. I feel like primers don't do anything to keep your makeup on longer. That's just how I feel. I have no evidence to back up that statement. That's just what I have experienced. Now, of course, for concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I told y'all once already, and I'll say it again. This is the concealer of my dreams. I love this concealer. It's everything I could want in a concealer. I know that sounds dramatic, but I'm dramatic. All right, now I'm gonna contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. I'm going to take the shade, what's this called? Chocolate. I'm gonna take chocolate, and I'm gonna contour. When I feel like being really, really extra, I'll go down to deep, or no, what's this called? Rich Earth. When I feel really extra, I go down to Rich Earth. But today, this is my everyday beat, so I'm gonna do chocolate. To me, the most important thing in the world is a nose contour. A nose contour will change your life, change your face, change your wallet, change your credit score. All right, now I'm going to bronze on top of where I contour it with the e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. I love that bronzer. It's my favorite time of the routine. It's time for blush. I love blush more than any other makeup, more than any other step in the routine, more than anything. I feel like blush makes you look cute. Blush makes you look awake. Blush makes you look happy. Blush helps you hide any patchiness on your cheeks. Blush makes you remember who you are at the core of your personality. Blush is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Let me know if you can relate. I've had comments of people being like, oh my god, you make me want to wear more blush. And I'm like, do it. It would change your life. Come through. Blush is when I start feeling cute, y'all. This is when I start feeling myself. All right, 2 last steps, highlighter and lips. For highlight, I'm going to take the Strobe Light Highlighters by LA Girl in 50 watts. I'm going to take some Mario Badescu to set and rehydrate because I am using a matte foundation. We want to be careful with her. I'm running out of this stuff and it's like driving me crazy. I love rose water. I use it for everything. I use it on my taxes. Like I use it for everything. I forgot highlight under the brow bone, but I only do that sometimes. I think I'll be okay without it today. All right, lastly, lips. I'm gonna start with the lip pencil from NYX in Los Angeles, and I'm gonna overline my lips a little bit. Now I'm taking my favorite lip product in the world, a regular clear gloss. The best clear glosses are not the fancy ones at Sephora. It is going to be the ones at the beauty supply store, the cheap ones, because those are the ones that are gonna be all goopy and they're gonna make your lips look like glass, okay? You heard it here first. I'm telling you, don't go buy no $20 clear gloss. All right, and on the very last step of the look is to just feel yourself a little bit before you like go out for the day. Doesn't matter where you're going, like you have to do this last step or you're gonna feel ugly. You gotta just look in the mirror for a minute and just be like, wow, I'm really that chick. I know I'm not the only person who does this either, so y'all not about to make me feel crazy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed doing my everyday makeup routine with me. I hope you take some tips or tricks or something from this video. If you enjoyed it, like and comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you next time, loves.
Phone light, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey. Ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from you. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress. Got a nigga so impressed.